What's the meaning of automatic? Automatic. Automatic.
Automatic. Automatic. The term automatic refers to a process or system that functions independently, without requiring human intervention. Automation is often utilized in manufacturing, transportation, and other industries to increase efficiency and reduce costs. Automatic processes can range from simple, repetitive tasks to complex systems that utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms. The resulting outcome of automation is typically increased productivity, improved accuracy, and reduced labor costs. Additionally, automated systems are often capable of working around the clock, which can further improve efficiency and throughput.